In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo with Adobe Firefly. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to Google. This makes it quick and easy to find the right place. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly. You should see the official result near the top. Click the Adobe Firefly link that points to an adobe.com page so you know you're in the right spot. Once you're on the Firefly page, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe what you want to create. The clearer your description, the better the results. For this logo, paste or type a prompt like this. Create a minimalist logo representing an organic skincare and wellness brand. Use clean, simple shapes inspired by leaves, nature, and purity. Focus on a modern, elegant symbol with smooth lines, soft curves, and a balanced composition. No text, natural, calm aesthetic. This prompt sets direction on style, subject, mood, and composition. And it also tells Firefly to avoid adding text, which is helpful for keeping a logo clean and versatile. Before you generate, open the Themes section. Themes act like creative filters that influence the final look. From there, choose Graphic and then pick Psychedelic Wonderland. Even though the name sounds bold, pairing it with a minimalist prompt can add interesting visual energy while still keeping your design clean. If you want a calmer result, your wording in the prompt does the heavy lifting, and you can always fine-tune later. Now click Generate. Firefly will create several variations based on your instructions. Give it a moment to render. When the results appear, look for designs that feel balanced at a glance. For logos, pay attention to the silhouette, the clarity of the shapes, and whether the symbol would still read well at small sizes. Since we asked for a nature-inspired concept, you should notice leaf-like forms, smooth curves, and an overall calm look. If something's close but not quite there, try a quick refinement by adjusting your wording slightly and generating again. Small prompt tweaks, like emphasizing flat shapes, no gradients, or simple monochrome symbol, can tighten the style. You can also shift your descriptive words to lean more modern or more organic, depending on the vibe you're after. Once you see options you like, compare them side by side. Imagine them on packaging, a website header, or a social profile. Clarity and simplicity are key for a versatile logo, so go with the symbol that communicates your brand idea instantly. And that's it. Using Google to find Firefly, crafting a focused prompt, selecting a theme, and generating clean logo concepts in just a few clicks.